In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a star rating system in Wix. This is going to be a detailed guide to help you step by step through the process, making sure everything is set up correctly for your website. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is set up a CMS collection on your Wix site. It is essential to have this collection because it will serve as the database to store all the ratings you receive. Having a well-organized CMS collection makes it easier to manage and analyze user ratings over time. Within your CMS collection, you'll want to create the necessary fields that will store the rating data. Common fields you might consider including are the rating value, which would be a numerical representation of the star rating itself. You may also want to include fields like number of ratings to track how many times an item has been rated. This setup allows your site to not only collect the ratings but also provide a robust mechanism to display aggregate data if needed. With your CMS collection ready, let's move to the next step: adding a ratings input element to your site. Head over to Wix Editor or Studio, and from there, navigate to the Add Elements section. Within this menu, you'll choose Input, and then you'll find the Ratings option. This element is what your users will interact with to submit their ratings. Once selected, drag and drop this ratings element onto the page where you want users to be able to give their ratings. This could be a product page, a service review page, or anywhere you feel that gathering user feedback would be useful. Now that you have your ratings input element in place, it's time to customize it to suit your site's needs and branding. Start by adjusting the settings. Decide whether giving a rating should be mandatory before submitting other content or if it's an optional field. The hover text is a great feature to give users a more interactive and informative experience, so it can provide instructions or encouragements such as hover to rate. Pay close attention to the layout and design of the stars as well. You want them to be intuitive and consistent with your site's aesthetic, ensuring a seamless user experience. By following these steps, you are not only enhancing your site with an interactive element, but you are also giving valuable insights back to your visitors and yourself. Whether you run an e-commerce site looking for product feedback or a content-based site seeking user interaction, adding a star rating can be a powerful way to engage with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Wix website.